So I'm just taking you to the, okay, let me see if I can take you to the WhatsApp. So these are our trades. Okay, morning we, okay, I don't think I can share you that. Anyway, let the WhatsApp open. I will share you what trades we took. Um, Meanwhile, let me show you what are the trades I'm looking at. Okay, I'm looking at ICICI Prudential. Okay, we are holding put because it's below our, it has just touched, if you see, and coming down, right? And I have already clearly told our subscribers don't miss this. Okay, IOC is already moved quite a lot. So let me show you the level. Mm, I think IOC level less. Okay, IOC also is bearish. Okay, you can ask me any stocks. Okay, let's look at Axis. Axis is little flat, though it is just touched and come. Axis is little stock flat. I'm looking at, however, I'm still looking to enter into put. Most of the stocks today, I am on the put side, except I think SBI and HCL Tech. HCL Tech is yet to give me a confirmed put side. Okay, let's see. Axis is slightly bullish, may turn bullish later. Right now is not giving a proper trade. So, uh, what is the other stock I was talking about? HCL Tech. HCL also is giving me a bearish. So see, these levels will work for your stocks. For options, I will have different criteria to look at, right? But below this levels, I will look for mostly the entering the put side. Okay, that is what I'm going to see. Okay, premium HCL Tech. HCL Tech has not given me a confirmation, but then yes, HCL Tech also I will look for put. I'll just tell you which one I might look at. HCL. Let me see if my chat has opened. Not yet open. Okay. Ah, okay. So let me show you my channel. Okay. See here. We open this channel. HCL Tech I'm looking at put. See here. This is the call trades I took. Okay. Now I'll share you which are the trades I'm looking at now. Any position. Let's go back to chart. Let's see how HCL is behaving. ICICI already has started moving. What is Nifty? Nifty also I'm looking at put. Yeah, it's almost because I show you the Nifty chart now. Okay, you saw that we took longs, right? So first was 224,850 about 97. We said 133 possible. This made 150. Since somebody missed 24,900, I gave 94. This gave 115, 120. Now I'm looking at put side in Nifty charts because of charts. Okay. Mm, I see. Let me show you the okay. Let's see. I'll show you what I have shared. So now I'm looking at index put, as is bank put, IRCTC put, and HCL Tech put. These are the levels. Take it. Oh, I said, okay, let me show you. Yeah, I say if you see, you can go back and check. Don't miss, I have shared. Take it. Now see how it is moving. But SBI, since it is not come below this, I'm not looking. There's no momentum also. Access also still no proper momentum. HCL also is just dancing around. I told you HCL I'm still not entered. SBI was within a range. This complete range it has been playing around. Okay, so I will not look at. IRCTC also I'm looking at possibly the pair side, but I want a proper this input 92. So it is not at entry. IRCTC where is okay. HCL about 10.8. It's already near our target of 12. Okay, and SBI as I told it's not yet active. Uh, HCL Tech is currently 21, which is still not active. 23 is my entry. Okay, and let's see IRCTC is 11 currently. My entry is around 13, I think, something like that. Yeah, 10.1. Okay, so it's almost kind of active. All right, we will see how the market goes. Index now I'm on the looking at the bear side because of the chart. I just following the data charts. These are not just charts, these are data levels. If you don't follow the big players, then you are in a big problem. Big players move the market. Tata Chemical is just there around. Tata HCL also same. ICICI Pro I said don't miss. Soft, SBI, Access may give me a good. IOC actually has moved. My level should have been somewhere here. Uh, I don't know how I missed to mark. But anyway, IOC, I think now it's late. However, nevertheless, I will not. Uh, nevertheless, I think somewhere this level, I think if it crosses down, I will still look for bear. Let it go up. I am not worried. Once it crosses down, I will look for puts. Ah, sorry. Yeah, maybe somewhere there. Yes. So now my what did I say? 24,900 put above 96, correct? Where is the price? 24, 9. It's about 96, which is active. And if you see the chart, what is happening? Beautifully moving down. Don't be surprised if the entire gain is gone. So let me just share the stream. Many might not be aware that I am on the. Okay, sorry, where is my channel? Status. feeling enjoy the day. We made on the long side now. Great moving on the put side. Let me share the charts for my friends. Okay. Let's share Kotak. No, it's not workable. Let's say CTC and piece of may not give a big move, but yes, this was going to give something good. Yeah, see, one negative news, you know, people think that okay, this is going like this. Let's see. So so right now three stocks seems to be active. Let's see. So let me just share you. Three stocks seems to be active. Okay. Peace and he asked whether it is possible, sir. It definitely possible, sir. Let us see. 105 from 96, 110 it went. Okay, this is house HCL also is active. ICICI Pro almost done target and IRCTC. Okay, Okay, let me show you how ICDC is moving. And access also, let us see, it has not come. HCL I told you, but yeah, I think it is given a put now. Kotak is nowhere in the picture. ICDC is also kind of, for me, a bear side. All right. So I'll just also show you one more thing apart from these charts. These are the stocks yesterday. Cipla 1500, about 12. It went about the target 22. It hit. One more stock I had, I remember. Uh, Manapuram, if I'm right. Yeah. And I told manipulation in the Sensex, so we avoided Sensex after a while. And this is crude. And okay, if you have any questions, you can ask. I'll be happy to guide. I mean, any stocks you want to know. Voice not audible, sir. I'm not talking at all much. Let us see. I will. Nifty is again coming back or retracing back. So we may see this happening, but we have already half booked at 112. So, and our stop loss is a break one of 96.98. Okay, not much of a confirmation on HCL. Though, if you see, it went up, came down. This could have been an entry here, but it's too fast for a center. Just one candle, the entire, if you see, it has just taken off the buyer's zone and then cross this selling zone. So now we will have to wait for this. This could have been, we could have took this, but we can always take the, it is coming back here again, we can always take it. So that's fine. Nifty, as per me, I'm holding. I'm going to be, okay, Tata Chemical, most of the stocks, if you see, at least the stocks which we have selected seems to be on the negative side. At least we're looking at the negative side. Axis Bank now, went crossed the red line in no trade zone. Now maybe, either goes long or down short. Depending on the momentum, we will decide. But ICCA Pro is definitely going to give me a good profit. As far I know, BSoft is also looking good. I'm waiting for BSoft now. BSoft, Birla Software. They are mostly, I think, they are one of the client is the major ticketing the service providers for ticketing. Okay, Bsoft. Okay, Bsoft, I am looking at put side. Okay, 9.8. Bsoft 970 PE above 9.5 is good. 8.6 target could be around 12. Okay, this around this one. This is going to be crazy now. What happened to Nifty and then to, okay, it's above our entry. That's okay. We're not in. Okay, ICICI Pro is good. From 10.8 it's come to 12.5. CTC, okay. Not much of things, no questions for me, just I don't see much of activity. Okay, what news? There are no news. I don't think so. I'm just going to hold this Nifty put. I'm not looking at long, short, lot money control. If there's anything, let us see money control. Global. Oh, IPO season. The other thing I think I want to share is NSE and BSE uh, expiry. Okay, expiry days. NSE was actually NSE expiry from Thursday to Tuesday earlier. Okay, because they wanted to lead the market, they wanted to bring Bombay Stock Exchange out. This is a competition. Now, they were SEBI has agreed and said, okay, you guys NSE contract shift to Tuesday and then BSE goes to Thursday. So typically they are trying to bring in BSE down. So now people will look at NSE or NSE expiry, NSE, and then decide what can happen on BSE stocks, Bombay Stock Exchange stocks. There was another stock exchange, Guangdong Stock Exchange, that closed, of course, that got closed long back. So there's going to be a big impact for BSE for some period of time, and then they will stabilize. Definitely, there'll be a bit of impact. Okay, Baysoft, I think should do well. All right. I don't. If there are no queries, I'm going to stop. Unless you have a question, I'll wait for your questions and then I'll close. These are my stock picks. You can look at those in the channel. Uh, had Nifty crossed this level 24,900, the second buying would have happened. The first buying I'll show you. Where was the first buying? Let me show the charts. I had given it not in the channel. I shared it to my subscribers. I'll show that. Where is that? I'm just sharing it. This is the first chart. Okay. No, this is not the one. Anyway, that's fine. Since there are no queries for me, I think I will go ahead and close. Give me another 1% in ICICI Prudential. That will give me a good profit. Good move in ICICI Prudential. SBI also, SBI Life also. Axis now above the Bison 1002. So it looks strong. Very good. Above 16, I think it looks 16. Yeah, 16. Yes. 1000, 1000, 1220, 1220 call above 17 or 16.8. Looks good. Okay, because I opened. So which one? Axis Bank. Where is Axis Bank? Okay. This above 16.5, I think I love for long. Okay. Look at Nifty 24,900, 112. I told you I'm going to hold because I have a very big target there. All the bulls can be taken out. Most of the stocks, if you see, are Access 15 point. Super. Access is active. Call side. It's good. BHL has given a very good return. 195 somewhere. One of our subscriber had bought in futures. He exited a little early. That was time where market was little weak. 225 to 30 or something he exited, but it's good movement. He still holds in equity. Doesn't good, very good. 900 below. Okay. 96 our entry. First target almost getting achieved. Okay, friends, thank you so much for joining us. Have a great day. Nothing much the market to update. Uh, I'll share you tomorrow's view, Nifty expiry.